Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Gmail password quickly and securely. First, I want you to log to your Gmail or go to your Google accounts, alright? And click over here, which is your profile icon. Click on that and then choose Manage your Google accounts. This is going to be your dashboards, and over here on this left section, click on Security. Then it might load up for a few seconds. And once you are on this page, I want you to scroll down and select password over here. Okay, click on it, and it might ask you to enter your password once more. Let me do that. Then you can easily create a new password over here. All right, just make sure it's unique and easy to remember. Once you've successfully made the changes, click over here to save or change your password. And then G Drive, or what I mean as Google Drive, what I mean as Gmail, will now automatically save the changes for you. And they might require you to to enter your credentials once more. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully updated your Gmail passwords, and now your account is more secure. I hope you found this video very helpful.